Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about how to create animated chart. So which these charts are more diverse and more dynamic and show your report in very interactive way. So stay tuned with us and make our animated chart in PowerBI. So hello friends, in this video we will learn about how to create advanced animated charts in Power BI. So to create advanced animated chart in Power BI, we first of all go to your this visualization pane and we will just see here three dots. So we have to click over these three dots and get more visualization. But before that we have to have an business email ID of yours so that we can log into Microsoft this get more visual. So I have already have that, so I have already logged in, so that's why I have been there in Microsoft BI visuals. So you need to have a Microsoft account for that, and that need to be your business email ID. So now we will go here and here we will like type advanced, and after typing advanced we have many charts here. So like this chart, which is your advanced pie chart, and it have a blue tick, that means like it is rated by Microsoft. So this Power BI is certified and it is certified by Microsoft. These are other chart like this chart also. This is an info drive chart, this is hierarchical filter. So there are many type of charts which are available. So I will just type advanced and we have a many chart here. So I will like to take there this one, advanced pie chart, or whatever chart you like to give, or either you can take your bar chart also. If I will type bar, so we have different bar chart like the animated bar chart and many more. So I will just click over this animated bar chart and we can have this bar chart with us, animated bar chart, and it will ask about would you like to load that chart. So it is taking a bit time here. So now we have this app source here, and if you want to load it, I just click on this add load. So it is not yet given any rating, but I am doing this and just add it. So we have this animated chart here and I will click over this. Now we have this chart with us, and now I will put some data here. I will just open this name. In name I will take categories, and in your values I will take sales, and after taking this, and in period we can take your ship date or whatever date, like I will take this time your order date. In period I will take order date. Now we have this chart according to your year day wise, and if I will remove here date, so then it will be according to months, and I will just remove this also, so it will show our years and quarters. And if I will just remove also this also, so it is our animated chart and it will show us detail year wise. So I will just click over this chart and just click over this, so it will show us sales your year wise. And if you want to add anything here, we can add it. You just go over this and show all levels, so it will show us all level, month, quarter and your days. If you want to remove this, now it will show us, and I will also remove this days also, so it will show us month wise. And if you want to decrease speed, I will go there and wash out setting, and we have a duration. I just increase this duration to 10,000. Now is bit slow. You have seen such type of charts in your YouTube or in your Facebook where people are using such charts. So it is showing us all the details of the chart, year wise, month wise and whatever. So that's the best way to use the chart, and I will go there. So better, like people generally take it in year ways, so I will take year also here. Now you will see the difference, how our sales increasing whatever is our office supplies, everything is shown there. So hello friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about how to create your drill down column chart in PowerBI. To create a drill down column chart in PowerBI, we can either go to these three buttons and from there get visuals, and beside that if you will go from home to insert tab, and here we have more visual options. So if you will click here, from App Store we have a screen here, and even from there we can take your charts, which are basically animated charts. So I will just type drill down. So we have many charts here. I will just type drill down. So we have many charts. These are pro version, these are pro version, these are combo zoom charts. So I will just take the zoom chart, this one. It has 22 UR and we like to use that. So I just click over this. And then just add this. Now we have this added in few seconds, and we will just click over here and I will click over this, and now we have a category, and beside that I also have your values also. It also have a tutorial, you can go to the tutorial also. So I will just go to the category here, and in values I will take your sales. So now we have this chart with us, and what is the benefit of this chart? Like if I will, beside category, I will also take subcategory here. So it will have some more features. Like if I will put over this, like we have, whenever we will go over this, these charts are highlighted. And if I will go to this furniture and click over this, so then it will go into the subcategory. And beside that, if I will also include the product name inside that category, and if I will go to any furniture, then I will go to this tables, so it will show the names of all type of tables which we have sold. And if you want to go back, so there is a back button, and from here we can go back button. So this is our drill down column chart, and we can take any changes with that in our customization, and we can just on, and like it's not start free, there are very little information, so you have to give your email ID, and you can use a bit of customization in it, otherwise you can go and remove it just off. And now, like beside that, if you want to take some other things here instead of category, if I will take here, I will just remove that. Beside that I will take a date here, so I will take our product order date in our category. So now it will show our year wise sales, and if I will click on 2019, then it will show us quarter wise, and if I will click on any quarter, it will show about in which November month we have made. Like if you go to December, it will say that days of the sales. So this is our drill down chart. So instead of creating many charts, we can do all the work in one chart here. So this is the advantage of this chart. And like we can even take other things also, like we can take states, and we can take region here. If you will take states here, and before this I will take a region I will take just above state. I will just keep it down. Region should be above states. Now we have region like west region, and whichever states we have, it will show that. And if you will go to east, we will have more region. So this way we can create a drill down column chart in PowerBI, but for that we need to have an account in Microsoft Office. So now friend, we will create infographic chart in PowerBI. So to create an infographic chart, we can go to these three buttons and then go to get more visuals, and from here we can type infographic. So like I will just go here and type info, like infographic designer is there. I just type info and we have got this chart. So infographic designer, I will just click over this, and just in few seconds we just apply it, add it, so it will be added. When it will ask okay, it is imported. Now we have an infographic designer chart with us. I will just click over this, and now we will add some there, like their categories, legends and measures. So in categories I will take categories, and in measures I will take sales, I will just put the sales there. Now we have a simple chart, bar chart here, but when we go here, so there is a, if I will go there, I will just go outside and just click here in the button here in edit mark. So we have a different chart. If you want to remove this, I will click over this, and just here are arrange element like this, delete element, so we will delete this. And here we have insert shapes, so we can add different shapes. Like if we add this shape, so we have chart in this panel. And if we will go here in food and drinks, we can take like according to food and drinks, and they have different, like household, we can take household. So whichever icon we like, we can make chart according to that. Like we will take here, like for this bird, or like whatever this, we will take this chair. If you want to say the chair, then it will convert it that, or either this one. And this way I will just, but before that we have to remove this. We haven't removed this, that's why they are showing so many charts. So I will just remove this chart, and then I will go there, and then I will add this. Okay, so we have this type of chart, and if you don't want this, we can remove this, delete element. And like we have a transportation, if we will take this car, like this, we have this ambulance here. So different way we can do is make the chart. And beside that we can upload, like if we have some photo, like we want to upload that we can do, but it is not there, so we can go here, insert image, and go there, and any image you like to insert, you can do that. But before that we have to remove this, and then go there, insert image, and just click, I will go again, and upload, insert. Okay, if you have URL, you can go from URL, or upload. If you have, you can upload it from anywhere. Like you have some icon or something, you can go there. Like I will take this icon and just add this. So we have this icon there, and we have chart according to that. So this way we can use infographic chart in our Power BI. Thank you very much. So now friends, we will create your histogram chart in Power BI. So to create a histogram chart, we just click over this get more visuals, and from here I will just get more visuals chart here from these three dots, and then we have a loading data. And next what we will do, when it will be there in few seconds, and after a few seconds we will just type here Histo, which I just type Histo, and I will take this chart. This is Microsoft certified with 13 with a rating, 3 rating here. So I will just double click here, and now it will take few seconds, like it depends upon your speed. And then I will take add with point by add this, and like it is will be added, imported successful, and okay. So now we have an histogram chart available for us. So now I will just double click over this. Now I have a format of this histogram here, and the next thing what I will do, I will have X and Y axis. In X axis I will take sales, in Y axis I will take sales, and in X axis I will take quantity. So it will create a histogram chart for us. So histogram chart, what it will do, it will show us your like we have a quantity here from 1 to 14. So in this first, like it will from 0 to 3, it will show us somewhere around like whatever quantity we have sales here. Similarly in this one, whatever quantity, so it show like whatever sales we have made in this side, and this side what quantity we have sold, so it is showing according to that. So we have a maximum sales when we have 3 to 6. In 3 to 6 quantity we have make the maximum sales, and when we will go here, so like we have a sales in less than that, and this is the third one, this is the second one, and we have made minimum sale when our quantity is from 12 to between 12 to 15. So in this way we can create a histogram chart and fetch our data and convert them into a bar chart. Thank you. So now friends, we will know how to create play axis chart in PowerBI. To create play axis chart, we will go to these 3 buttons, get more visuals, and we will type here play axis. Play axis. So we have a play axis chart here. So we will just click over this and just add it. Now after adding this, we will make a play axis here. It is imported, so I will just click over this, and now we have a field here, and in this field we will take order date. So now when we will click over this here, so it will show us year wise details. Okay, and now if we will go to quarter, and if we will like remove this year here, then it will show us quarterly details, and if we will remove this quarter, then it will show month wise details. But now how we can use it? To use it, the best thing is I will just make 2 charts here. Like one is your bar chart. I will take this chart here. Okay, I will just delete this and again make this chart. So I will first of all make a chart here, stack column chart, and here I will take category in x-axis and sales in y-axis. So we have a sales and our category wise a bar chart with us. Beside that, I will make your pie chart or donut chart, whichever you like. I will just go there, and here I will take region in legends and sales in our values. So now we have another chart which is our donut chart. So we have 2 charts with us, one is with our category, and now we will go just outside and click over this play axis chart, and here I will take our order date, and after taking order date, like if I will click on this button, so it will show a sales according to the year, like which is increasing, say year by year. And if I will remove this here and take quarterly, so then it will show us sales according to the in which quarter we have make what sales, and this is the way it shows us sales. And if we will take month wise, it will show us month wise sales, so in which month what sales we have done, and according to that it is increasing month by month. In May, in June, whatever sales we make, it is increasing. So what in which month which we make sales, it will show according to that. So this is way we can create a play axis chart in PowerBI. And if I want to go one level down, we can even go one level down also and make the details like days. We can go one level down, and if we click here, it will go one level up. So this way we can have all the fields here, and we can make our play axis chart. Thank you. So now friends, we will create Shanky chart in PowerBI. To create a Shanky chart, we have to go here in this get visualization and get more visuals, and then we will type here Shanky, and then we will type Shanky. We have two types of Shanky chart. We will take this one and just click over this and just add it to our screen in visualization pane. So we have a Shanky chart here, it is imported. Press OK. Then I will click on the Shanky chart. Then I will increase its size. Now we have different options here, like if you go there, source, destination, weight and other things. So I will go to my file, which is order file. I will just click over this, and in source I will take categories, and in destination I will take subcategories. So now we have a chart here which will show our categories and subcategories, like which category have subcategories. So this furniture have like chairs, bookcases, furniture, all these are our subcategories. Similarly with office supplies and with technology also. Now if we will put sales in our weight, now we have a size is like changed, the size of our subcategories are changed. So it is showing according to the sales we have made. So we have sales according to our subcategory. So this is showing that. And beside that, like if I want to change it, like if I will just remove this subcategory, and in this place I will take regions. So if we have regions here, and I will put regions here, so it will show us according to the region, in which region what sales we have made. And if you want to make any changes here, like if you will go here and in visuals, I will just data label is there, and if you want to change the color and whatever we can do. So hello friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to create a sunburn chart in PowerBI. To create a sunburn chart in PowerBI, we have to go to these three dots and then go to get more visuals, and from here a screen will appear, and in this search bar we have to type sun. I will just type sun, and we have a sunburst chart here. So I will just take this one, double click this over this, and now a screen will appear. And in this screen what we need to do, we need to add this sunburst to our Power BI. So now which is added, and after in few seconds it will be shown here, and we just have to import successful. Okay, and then we will go here and just click over this. So we have a format of sunburst with us. I will just increase its size, and now what I will do, I will add some more things here, like in the group I will add your categories, and in your values I will add your sales. So now we have a chart here which is a regular normal donut chart, and if we want to add some subcategory or some hierarchy here, like a subcategory there, so now it will show us like according to technology what are its sales, like machine and whatever is there. Similarly here in art, in paper, all things will be there. Like in office supplies we have storage and everything. And if you want to add more levels, I will see, like if I will put segment here, I will just click on segment and just drag here. So we have a segments also, like first of all we have office supplies, then we have our subcategories, and then we have our segments, like in which segment we have made the sales of these subcategories and all. So this way we can, but it's very small, like we can do some editing with that also, like in groups if you want to put legend here, so we can put a legend. I will just open this, and we have a legend here also, like what does this means. And if we want to increase the size of legend, we can do that also. So now we have office supplies technology, so it is showing about with colors, like what does these colors means. So in this way we can make our Sunburst chart in Power BI. So now friends, we will learn about word cloud chart in Power BI. So how to create a word cloud chart in Power BI. So first of all, we will go to this three dot. Either we will go to these three dots, or either we will go to insert and get visualization, like more visualization, wherever you like to go. So I will click on more visualization from app. Now we have our word cloud. So I will just type here word cloud, and this is our word cloud. So I will just click over this word cloud and add this to our, like this, in our visualization list. So we have another chart here, word cloud here. Now if you will click over this, then we have here category and values. In categories I will take your states, and in values I will take our profit, or whatever you like to take. I will take a profit here. So now I have a chart where we have size according to the profit which states have made. So like bigger size means like these states have made more profit, like Washington or California, New York. So it's mean they have made a bigger sale. Pennsylvania after that, and this one. And if you want to make this chart like stop words and like rotate words, if I will just remove this, then we have all the charts in align in simple manner, like otherwise they are tilted. Now they are actually in line, so we can move. So now we can see that. And if you want to make any other changes, we go to journal. So we have many changes here, stop words and whatever effects we want to give, any border there. So all these things we can do from here, properties. So whatever changes we want to make, we can make here. And if you want to change the color, you can also change the color of charts. And stop words, whatever word you want to stop, you can do that. So all this thing can be done in this word cloud chart. Thank you.